Hello, new employee, and welcome to the repair center of Dingle's Arcade Palace. We here at Dingle's Interactive are super excited to have fresh new talent to join us on a new path of fun, education, and usefulness. In this first tape, we're going to demonstrate how to repair damaged or broken figures, and get them in tip-top shape in time for their next performance. For this exercise, we'll be using our main star of the show, Dingles, as our lab rat for today. The rest of his friends all follow the same fixing procedure. Let's begin. Step 1. Carefully place the corresponding figure onto the workbench, and put it in a sitting position. Step 2. Look for a purple button that's placed on the back of the figure. This will send it into maintenance mode, and to ensure nothing goes wrong during repairs. Step 3. Pick up your screwdriver and carefully unscrew the bolts on the back of Dingle's head, to check if anything's wrong with its gears and wires. Step 4. Once all bolts have been removed, carefully push the hatchet door inwards, and slowly lift it to reveal your
Why is she calling me at this hour? Alright, time to get out of bed. Let's see what it is. This better be something important. It better be important. Wait a minute. This looks familiar. Wait. What do you want? You don't know. It used to be who I am, man. To be used like a toy for someone to play with, not carry out it. To be a stepping ladder for to be a stepping ladder for someone else to succeed, leaving them out in the cold. To be emotionally and mentally broken beyond repair, and no one out there to help you when they need you the most. I'm tired of everything. Being angry, being happy, being sad. I'm just done with it all. My past just keeps coming back to hug me. No matter how hard I try to distract myself from that fact, it just keeps showing up without warning. And every time it just leaves me emotionally drained. I don't want to live for this torture. Not anymore. I just want to end it all. Not like when anyone cares if I'm gone or not. People will constantly tell me otherwise. But I know that's a lie. Nothing's going to be better. Not when I'm still in this God-forsaken world. No more sadness. No more dread. No more pain. Goodbye, world. It's been a pleasure despising you.